I used an easel and different color, magic markers, and was as creative as I could be for 20 years of trying asbestos cases. But with the technology that's available today, I've done, and especially in pharmaceutical cases, and I've handled a lot of these cases, and we do a lot of mock trials before we try an actual case, and we get a tremendous amount of jury input. And Judge Davidson is right. The actual communication level that PowerPoints and animation rise to with the juries is absolutely staggering compared to standing there and drawing something. So it is a very, very valuable tool for a trial lawyer today. And so it's worth the effort of trying to work with your adversary to make sure you show them these things, you get them in, because they really are that valuable.
Except for an opening, you're laying out your whole opening for your adversary. They get to see the whole.
Yeah, but you know
don't
what?
have to do it.
There's not a whole lot. I mean, don't forget, we know a lot about each other's cases. It's not like criminal court, where you come in shotgun fashion. But the difference is, if I read to the jury in my opening statement some lines from a deposition, you're going to hear from the defendant, you're going to hear from the plaintiff, and they're going to say this. That's one thing. To take those same lines, because you videotape the deposition of the plaintiff or the deposition of the executive, and watch the guy's eyes roll around and sort of hemming and hawing, and you realize that this guy is making up everything he's doing, but you might not have gotten that at all through the reading of it. And I mean, the ones that I've done and that I've had them exchange, there's never really been a problem with it.
There's a book out there you can find called Beyond Bullet Points that tells you how to put together a good PowerPoint presentation. I've read it and it helped me a lot. If you don't have somebody in your firm that's real good with PowerPoint, consider going and hiring somebody who, for a fairly low hourly fee, will put together a PowerPoint for you if you tell them the points you want to make.
And they'll have boxes drawn around certain lines, and then they'll be highlighted in yellow, and they'll get bigger, and you can do all kinds of things. But the main point is, if you don't want to reveal what you're going to say in opening statement, don't do a PowerPoint. Right. And if you want to do a PowerPoint, show it to the other side.
But if you show it,
that's the risk you take, and you're going to gain some advantage by doing it with PowerPoint.
If we